Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to EduLite YouTube channel. How are you all? Hoping everyone is fine. Dear students, today we are going to cover 8th Standard Social Science in History. Chapter number 18, South Indian Dynasties, Shatavahanas, Kadambas, Gangas. Let's see the question answers of this lesson. Exercise I. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. 1. Simukha made Pratisthana his capital. 2. The literary work written by Hala is Gatha Saptashati. 3. The first inscription in Kannada is Halmidi inscription. 4. Banavasi, the capital of the Kadambas, is in today's Uttara Kannada district. 5. The prominent king among the Gangas was Durvinita. 6. The literary work written by Chavundaraya is Chavundaraya Purana. 2. Answer the following questions in brief. 7. Who was the last king of the Shatavahanas? Answer. The last king of the Shatavahanas was Pulamavi IV. The dynasty became weak due to continuous invasions by the Sakas and internal conflicts among the successors. 8. Write about the art of the Shatavahanas. Answer. The Shatavahanas contributed significantly to art and architecture. They built stupas, viharas and chaityas, with Amaravati Stupa being a notable example. The sculptures depict Buddhist themes and are known for their intricate detailing. 9. What were the values which influenced the Ganga society? Answer. The Ganga society was influenced by values such as tolerance, generosity, respect for other religions, and encouragement of education and literature. 10. Name 4 literary works of the period of the Gangas. Answer. Chavundaraya Purana by Chavundaraya, Gajashtaka by Shivamara II, Madhava's commentary on Parashara Smriti, Durvinita's translation of Brihatkatha. So we have seen the question answers in this chapter. If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe and comment. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all. Bye-bye.